Okay, now I will show you how to make your own free website. And first go into realservers.info. Link is in the description. And then you make your own account when you click sign up. And then you go into control panel again. And then you type in your email and your pass. And click control panel. And you don't have any account, so you create one. And you will choose a free subdomain, or if you want your own domain, you can. I will call my subdomain Aussie wild.realservers.info, and then you make password and retype it, then create, and then so and watch when you go into your website. There's nothing. So you need a program called FileZilla. Uh, you shall download it, and I already have it, so I don't need it. And then you go into it. And then you go into control panel, and then click switch. And then you go into my SQL database. And then you create a database name. Mine is called root, and username is form, and pass, you type it and create. Now you have it, and then go to control panel and go to FTP. Oh, sorry, no. I mean FTP access, and then you use this copy this host name and paste it into here, and then you take your username and set it into here, and then type in your password. It's the same as the control panel in real servers. And then connect. Then you have a public HTML folder, and then you delete all in this folder. Oh, sorry. So, and then you go to your you can download some forums like WordPress, but I buy my own, and it's called vBulletin. And then you go and watch. I got all this, and I shall copy all the stuff into the public.html folder. and it will take about an hour, and I will be back. Okay, so now I'm back, and watch, it's all uploaded to the FTP server. And now go into includes into the public HTML folder. I will open it again. There was a mistake. But okay, now I'm into the includes folder. And now we shall find the config.php.new and show, and now we shall edit it in any program, and we are starting with the database type. It shall be MySQLi database type, and here we shall have our MySQL name. We can see it in the control panel here, MySQL databases, and here is the database, and we copy that and paste it in here in the database name, and we'll and the technical email address is your own, as you use to log into real servers with, and set this to false empty SQL mode, and your server name is mysql.realservers.info. Here, the host, and set this to 1. I remember the master database username and password. It's here, MySQL user. And now save it. And in the FTP, there's our earlier open file is changed, and just say yes. So, and now we go into our user. What's that? Sorry. I think you shall wait a little, because you just uploaded all the files. So I will be back. And it took about a half an hour after the installation. So open your website, and if you remember the website, then it is here. And we are starting with the vBulletin installation script. And then we click on next step, and next step, and next step. And it's creating all the things and stuff. Next step, next step, next step, Next step. Next step. Next step. And here you enter your email, and here you enter the home page title as here my chat called my site, and proceed and next step. And here you shall fill in your normal login information as you used to log in to the other log into your admin account, so you can change the website something. And my username will be Ossie and my password will be this. And you enter your email and then click on proceed, administrator app, and next step. And it's installing the product, the blog. And once you click next step, do not click anything more. So next step. What was that? Okay, sorry, I will be back. Oh, it was a mistake. Sorry. I wait for the and then click on install. And next step. And wait now. Now we'll go into your FTP server and click on public HTML and go into install folder and delete install PHP. Just delete it. And now click in the browser, click here you shall also delete in the includes folder you shall delete the init.php. And just close that. And now you have your website. And don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos, and thumb up and comment, and email me if you want some more tutorials. See you.